Hi friends, it's Alex Smith and I'm pretty stoked because my old apartment is now ready to lease. This is 508 Manhattan Avenue in Hermosa Beach. Fabulous neighborhood right here. If you like being close to the beach, you like being close to the water, you like being close to all the restaurants and the shops and all the fun stuff at Hermosa Pier, this is a 8-minute walk to Hermosa Pier and Hermosa Pier Avenue, all the wonderful things that are there. This fridge is staying here in the house. I bought this fridge. It's one of those super gigantic fridges with the bottom level for the freezer. Everyone likes that. This is a great big kitchen right here. I upgraded that faucet. It does normally sit nice. And then we got a little sort of a side yard, little piece of concrete here. Oh, this is one of those magnets that I installed so you put your knives there. That's pretty sweet. Attic access, there's tons of storage in the attic. Here's the bathroom, super nice, and here's the one bedroom. My fiance and I had to split these two closets and we were fine. I put in this AC unit, it is staying, it is great, it saved our butts when it was really warm. If you don't like it, you can get rid of it, I don't care what you do with it. No warranty, I'm not guaranteeing it'll work forever, but it works perfectly right now. And I believe that there's gonna be one car in the double garage, and there's laundry there as well. So if you're interested in this place, please hit us up at our office, slam the door, hit us up at our office, 424-234-3940.